Islands in the sun. Islands
At
in
the forefront of the highest caliber of music productions and audio engineering in Trinidad and Tobago, the region, and even globally, stands Martin "Mice" Raymond, who many years ago was key to establishing the recognized industry standard, as we explore in this Live for Local episode.
He has worn many hats over the years in his career, which spans over 20 years. Musician, producer, and now a master in mixing and mastering of audio productions. And for those not inclined to the understanding of music post-production, he explained why the mastering process is so important.
And mastering is a much faster process or shorter process than mixing, whereas a mix can take anywhere up to 3 days to a week to do something properly. Generally with mastering, which think of it as that kind of final polish, that final coat of paint.
So as it is with many other disciplines, honing one's skill to become art is often a tedious process, almost a science of one's creativity and exploring all its spectrum, an in-depth understanding Raymond has acquired.
The two ways of thinking of it. You can think of it as the first stage of the manufacturing process. It's about quality control.
And just as Raymond found his calling in the mechanics and business of sound, his affiliation with the University of Trinidad and Tobago Digital Media Arts Program offers the same opportunity to persons with an interest in music and sound. One takeaway he envisions for students of the program is to see themselves having a sustainable career in audio engineering and production.
The majority of persons would come in with, okay, I want to be a producer, I want to make rhythms, or I want to learn to mix and master. But by the time they finish the program, they get exposed to these other areas, everything from audiovisual installation. So I think one of the goals, very much on the music technology side, is to expose students to all the variety of jobs.
Beyond UTT, Raymond has developed a Caribbean-wide framework on audio engineering and its process. Because of these efforts, persons can now obtain certification at a prerequisite level such as the CVQ in sound engineering. I am Cherrylene Lewis for TTT News, urging you to live for local.
Islands in the sun.